It's a new year and there's a new look to these Dugard machines. Here, this is the Dugard 1000 XP. If you follow our channel, you'll have seen us review these machines on many occasions. Now, for 2020, there is a new livery. And you can see here there's a different cosmetic feel to this machine. Nothing's been compromised in the capabilities of the machine. In fact, the specification has been enhanced and the look has changed. And I think you'll be inclined to agree with me. They look pretty good. This is the new Dugard 1000 XP with its new look.